The task is to segment various types of defects, contaminations, if there is any, on ceramic tiles without discriminating the type. This is a semantic segmentation task with one class which shows a variation as crack, dye, oil, and glue. Follow these steps to get started. Log into ReliUI and create a new session. We will start by creating a pipeline. Add the source image set and segmentation blocks. Navigate to the gallery page and import the ceramic tile images. Add annotation set name and states to begin the annotation process. Use the polygon tool to annotate the images. Alternatively, you can import annotated dataset. Click on Import Annotated Dataset and choose the Label Me format. Select JSON files and click Open. Double-click the folder to review the imported annotations. Navigate to the training page and click Start. For this task, choose Semantic Segmentation. Select the dataset, split into training and test sets. Assign a model name. Load the default training parameters. Set the epoch value to 500 and XY resolution value to 800 for this use case. Once the synchronization of data is complete, click Start Training. Monitor the training progress. As the model loss decreases, the IOU value will increase. Once training is finished, check the results on the Evaluation tab. Navigate to the Pipeline Editor page, select an input data source, and the trained segmentation model. Run your pipeline using the Execute button at the top. The prediction list will display labels and precision values for each image on the right. Take full control. Own your data. Own your AI with ReliVision.